So now that we have our database ready, it is the time that we connect our database with our application so that we can have some interaction between them. So let's do that. For that, you need to go to your XAMPP folder, then htdocs, and in there you need to create a new folder and you can name it anything. I have created a folder called CRUD app, and then you need to open the same folder in your text editor, whatever you are using. I am using Sublime in my case. Now let's create a new file inside this folder that we have created, and let's name this file as dbcon. That means database connection. Okay. Now drop some PHP in here, and let's define 4 constants. Okay, so define. Now the name of the first constant is host name. Okay, and it will be the constant's name should be in uppercase. Okay, and the values will be in lowercase. So the value will be localhost because we are using localhost in our case, and copy this statement and paste it 3 times more. The name of the second constant will be username, and the value will be root. Okay, so if you haven't changed your phpMyAdmin username, then it should be by default be root. Okay, and the third constant will be password, and the value should be empty. Okay, if you haven't changed your password, it should be by default empty. Okay, and the last constant will be our database, and we need to specify our database name in here. So what was our database name? Let's see that. So it is CRUD operations. Okay, so we need to write that in here, CRUD operations. Now let's create a new variable and call this variable as connection. So in this variable we will store our connection. Now we need to declare a function MySQLi connect, and this function will make the connection between our application and our database, and we need to pass in here 4 parameters, and the 4 parameters will be our 4 constants that we have just now created. So let's put the constants in here. Okay, so the first one will be host name, the second one will be username, then password, and then database. Okay, so this total function will do the connection and it will store the connection in our connection variable. Now we need to check whether the connection has been made or not. So we will check it like this. If not $connection. Okay, that means if the connection is not made, then we will write a function, the die function, and in here we will write connection failed. Okay, and if the connection has been made, that we will put in the else block, and we will just echo out a simple statement saying yes. Okay, now save this and let's go to our browser and open a new tab and write in here localhost, then the name of your folder that you have created inside the htdocs. Mine is CRUD app. Okay, and then we need to specify the file name dbcon.php. Now hit enter. Okay, so we got a fatal error, called to undefined function MySQLi connection. Okay, so on line number 8. Okay guys, sorry guys, so this is not connection, this is only connect. Okay, sorry, MySQLi connect. Now save this, come here and hit refresh. Okay, so another problem, CRUD operations unknown database. Let's see what wrong we did. Okay, so there is no S guys, it is only CRUD operation, the name of our database. So we need to remove the S from here. Save this, come here, hit refresh. Okay, see, we got yes. That means the connection has been made. Okay, so our connection has been made, and this file dbcon.php file holds the connection, and particularly actually this variable holds the connection. Okay, so we need to use this file in all the pages that we will build, so that we can use the connection in that particular page, and we will use this variable a lot of time from now on. Okay, so in the next lecture we will create the home page of our application. So I hope you enjoyed the lecture. If you enjoyed it, give a thumbs up to the video, and we will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you and have a great day.